Promising research there, but we are going to turn it now to Chief Meteorologist Dan Sionka. Dan, I'm hearing that it's going to be warming up this week, apparently.
I also hear that. Somebody is saying that up in the top of the building someplace.
Little bird.
They're probably right. Well, we've got to get through some wind first. Let's take a look at your forecast. This is the wrong graphic. It's Futurecast showing 5 p.m. right now, but let's get to a satellite picture. That's what I'm looking for, our storm tracker right now. High pressure off to our west, blocking storm systems off to our north. You can see that's where all the clouds are. That's where the rain is, raining in Washington and Oregon right now. Now, the tail end of this system is going to sneak around the ridge and just come plowing down the coast tomorrow, and it's going to increase our winds. We will see a stronger onshore wind component early in the day tomorrow, and then a stronger offshore wind component late tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. All the while, we'll see a few extra clouds rolling in as well, especially late in the day tomorrow. So let's get right to Futurecast and talk about it. It's been wanting to show up. It was right there and ready right when we started the weathercast. But 9 p.m. tonight, still looking at mostly clear skies. May see a few patchy clouds along the coastal slopes near the bay. As we head into the overnight hours, those clouds may expand a little bit to the point where we're partly cloudy for coastal cities by tomorrow morning. Don't expect much in the way of fog, as we do have a deeper marine-ish layer building, and that means the cloud ceilings will be a little bit higher. But what you can expect when you wake up, as I mentioned, partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. The wind's picking up off of the water. Now, those winds will be stronger off the water during the day tomorrow. We'll have a few passing high clouds. This is 10 a.m. The onshore winds will get stronger too. We may see patchy low clouds sticking around the south shore of the bay at times tomorrow, especially up in the hills like around Jack's Peak or maybe even farther south near Carmel Highlands, places like that. So a few patchy clouds hanging around, the winds picking up out of the northwest throughout the day tomorrow, and they could get strong at times. We're talking 25 to 30 miles per hour, not to the sense where we're damaging things, but certainly maybe blowing your hat off your head if you're walking along the beach, that sort of situation. 8 p.m. tomorrow night, we notice the clouds thicken up a bit. Those winds have been strengthening. And then, as I mentioned, overnight tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, those winds will shift offshore a little bit. That's going to make for a different day for us on Tuesday. If you're up in the mountains, you're going to see some wind, but all of us are going to see mostly clear skies and even warmer temperatures. Now, your temperatures tomorrow will actually cool a little bit compared to today for many areas. So we do have warmer weather on the way, but we're going to see a cooling trend first. Our lows won't be quite as chilly. We'll be in the 30s, mid-30s in the Santa Cruz Mountain Valleys, as we were this morning, about 2 degrees warmer, I should say. 64 your high in Santa Cruz and in Capitola tomorrow, 63 in Ben Lomond tomorrow. Capitola in the mid-60s, same in Aptos and Watsonville. 50s, though, Castroville and Marina. Salinas at 62. Prunedale 62 tomorrow with mid-60s into Hollister. On over toward the Monterey Peninsula, we're going to see highs in the mid-50s tomorrow. 57 Monterey and Seaside. You'll have, again, the wind stinging off of the bay at times tomorrow. And then farther south, we'll see some 60s. In fact, it may actually feel semi-warm down in Bradley, 67 tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we look forward, I mentioned the wind's going to stick around on the coast for the next couple of days, and it will stay breezy on Wednesday and Thursday. But notice those temperatures above normal Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's been like 2 weeks since we've had above normal high temperatures on the coast, and it looks like most of this week is going to be above normal, and that should last into the weekend. No rain in the forecast. With those low clouds tomorrow night, we may squeeze out a couple sprinkles on those coastal facing slopes, but not where a lot of us live, so I don't expect any widespread light precipitation or anything. Inland area is also picking up the winds. They'll be the strongest over the hills on Tuesday, still a little breezy on Wednesday. But high temperatures should be around 66 or 67 on average this time of year. We're going to be at or above that for most of the next week. Quick look at our QR code. Please scan this with your phone's camera app. It gives you access to our weather app where you can take a look at current weather conditions, the radar in your area. You can also read my forecast that I write and watch video forecasts straight from the app.
Yeah, I tried this the other day. It's really cool how we can do that. Thank you, Dan.